Hi guys, my name is Nilda and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell just not to miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you. Let's learn together about the letters having unvoiced and voiced sounds. These are the letters having unvoiced or voiceless sounds, and these are the letters having voiced sounds or using your vocal cord when you speak. There are some regular verbs with ed ending pronounced with the sound of the letter T, and these are unvoiced or voiceless consonant sounds. Sample words: brief, briefed, laugh, laughed, thank, thanked, work, worked, stop, stopped, pass, passed, bless, blessed, announce, announced. Remember that C in English can also have the sound of the letter S. Dance, danced, brush, brushed, rush, rushed, reach, reached, search, searched, fix, fixed, relax, relaxed. There are some regular verbs with ed ending pronounced as letter D. These are what we called voiced consonant sounds. Sample words: rub, rubbed, hug, hugged, challenge, challenged, judge, judged. G in English can also have the sound of the letter J. Pull, pulled, claim, claimed, learn, learned, enter, entered, arrive, arrived, play, played, close, closed, buzz, buzzed. For this case, there are some regular verbs with ed ending pronounced as id, unvoiced or voiceless consonant sounds after letters T and D. Sample words: wait, waited, want, wanted, pot, potted, excite, excited, greet, greeted, connect, connected, reject, rejected, accept, accepted, end, ended, need, needed, decide, decided, and lastly, succeed, succeeded. And that's the end of it, guys. Stay safe, and once again, thanks for watching.